Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's Monday morning. U.S. is still shut down. Still no reports like weekly export inspections or crop conditions, and still no USDA October crop report. There is hope that by Thursday's deadline for the debt ceiling that something will come up with a compromise, and the market may take that as positive. So we have a lot of knowns and we have a lot of unknowns. What's known is that the harvest is progressing over the weekend. Bean harvest is about 50% done. Corn maybe 30% done. The unknown is the official numbers. The known is that we've got yields, especially in corn, better than expected. The unknown is the actual numbers that the USDA would be putting out. The known is that people think the carryouts for at least corn and beans is going up. Wheat may be unchanged and tight. The unknown is the actual numbers. As far as the trade volume has shrunk, I think in part because of the unknown of the reaction that the trade could have with a government shutdown or lack of. And also, I think the market is also waiting for some type of harvest load and maybe come in and start buying what is perceived to maybe an oversold situation both in corn and soybeans. From a weather standpoint, it was a good harvest weekend. We expect rains to move across the Midwest in the next 24 to 36 hours. It could slow harvest down. After that, we see our first shot at cold temperatures this year so far, this fall, and we would expect behind that to watch the weather pretty closely to see how the harvest activity goes from there. Brazil weather is fine. Argentina still is a little dry. Seeing a little bit of a window in the former Soviet Union for crops there to get planted for the winter wheat. So in all, overnight beans a little higher, corn a little lower, wheat a little bit lower, and the market's still waiting to see if we can come to some kind of compromise in Washington with the shutdown and the debt ceiling. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. And have a safe and profitable trading day.